In the last few decades, drone technology has experienced rapid development, which has had a significant impact on various sectors, including military, mapping, surveillance, and other industries. One of the foremost achievements in the world of drones is the Orlan 10, a unique drone designed and manufactured by Russia. This video will discuss the sophistication and main features of the Orlan 10 drone, which has helped Russia become one of the leaders in drone technology. Ergonomic design. The Orlan 10 drone has an ergonomic and tough design. Made using lightweight but strong materials, this drone is capable of dealing with various weather conditions and different environments. Its aerodynamic design also provides high stability in flight and allows for more efficient operation. Investigation and reconnaissance capability. Orlan 10 is known for its ability in investigation and reconnaissance in various battlefields. Equipped with a high-resolution camera and video recording system, this drone is capable of taking pictures and recording videos of excellent quality from different heights. This allows the military or security agents to monitor the situation on the battlefield in real time and make the right strategic decisions. Long battery life. Orlan 10 has an advantage in terms of long battery life. This drone is capable of flying for 18 hours continuously without having to return to base to recharge the battery. This advantage is very important in long-range reconnaissance missions that take a long time to get accurate information. Anti-interference system. Orlan 10 is equipped with a sophisticated anti-interference system to protect the drone from blocking attempts or signal interference. In complex combat situations, where an adversary might use tools to block communications or disrupt drone navigation, these systems provide added security and ensure that drones can remain operational effectively. The Orlan 10 drone is a clear example of the advances in drone technology brought by Russia. With a robust design, high investigative and reconnaissance capabilities, long battery life, advanced remote control system, anti-interference system, and multi-mission capability, Orlan 10 has proven itself as one of the best drones in the industry. The success of these drones makes important contributions to the military, mapping, and various other industrial sectors. By continuing to develop drone technology, Russia is playing an important role in initiating the future of unmanned flight technology.